Hi, my name's Duncan and I'm a product manager here at Propeller. I'm going to take you through the process of requesting and viewing vertical face imagery on your next drone survey. Vertical face imagery is produced by constructing a full 3D model and applying realistic texture from your original source photos. Being able to see photorealistic detail on rock walls or buildings opens up new ways to monitor your progress and pick up any faults or issues. Here we are on the demo mine site. Let's navigate to the rock wall. You can see what we like to call the ice cream effect. If we turn on vertical face imagery, which is on the survey tab, you can see a bunch more detail. In this case, you might want to use this functionality to help monitor for faults or stability of the rock wall. The decision to collect vertical face imagery should be made when you plan your flight and is an optional output you request when submitting your survey for processing. You can see generate vertical face imagery here. You should work with our customer success engineers or read our knowledge base articles on 3D mission planning to get the best results. Also note that vertical face imagery processing will take longer than regular processing, so it's best avoided when you need fast turnaround. The Propeller platform and map has always been 3D by default. We think this is the most powerful and intuitive way to understand and track your site. Vertical face imagery builds on these foundations, and we expect to build further workflows on top of this data in 2025. So that was vertical face imagery. Thanks for watching.